What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. Today's video, guys, I got a care package from Gamma Plus. We're gonna open it up and check out what's in it. And I also have some other super exciting news to tell you guys. But enough waiting, let's get right to it. Alright guys, so like I said, this is an exciting video. I have a little bit of news to share with you guys. I just signed a lease on a new location for my barber shop. You guys see the shop behind me, it's maxed out, 10 chairs. I need more room and a better location, so we're moving down the street. It's not far. I will actually probably drive down there one day and show you guys about the distance that it is. I'll show you guys around. Unfortunately, we're not inside yet, so once they start building and I can go by, I'm definitely gonna take you guys along with the journey so you guys will see it from start to finish. But it's basically gonna be similar size. It's just gonna be laid out better, tall ceilings, different things like that. And you guys will see why it's gonna be so much better. But anyway, we signed the lease last week. I just had a meeting yesterday to go over the blueprint and we can start construction, so we're super excited about that. I'm gonna throw some photos up right now so you guys can see what I know as of right now. But we're super excited. It's definitely gonna give us the room for growth that we need. And you guys, if you haven't figured out how I roll, I always gotta keep things moving and take it to the next level. So super excited about that. That will finish up probably spring of 2021. My goal right now is March 1st to open over there. So you guys stay tuned. I will take you along with me and show you guys the process. Guys, I'm almost to 15,000 subscribers. I wanna thank all you guys that watch. It's been a great ride. I've been doing it a little over a year now and I've enjoyed it. I love helping you guys and the feedback that I get from you guys. But I gotta be honest, it has slowed down a little bit lately. We're pushing to 15K and I'm gonna give away something that's in that box, but I need you guys' help. So help share these videos. If you think you have a video you like that you think other people would find helpful, throw it on Facebook and share it. Tag your friends in it, whatever you wanna do. Or you guys can just show some of your coworkers and schoolmates so that they can get some knowledge as well. But anyway, guys, when we get to 15K, I am gonna give away something and it's in this box. So let's open it up and find out what's in there. So first off, before I open this, I just want to say thank you to Austin from Gamma Plus. Great guy. He's definitely been taking care of me and I appreciate it. And I'm actually really digging a lot of this Gamma stuff. You guys know I'm using the Alpha, the Hitter, and the Shaver right now. And that's kind of my workhorses right now, if I'm being honest. So he's always hooking it up. He sent me some goodies and we're going to open it up. And something in here we're going to give away for the 15K giveaway. I'm going to set it down so it's a little easier. All right, guys. So first up, we got some Gamma Plus clipper grippers. I don't know if you guys use these, but they go around your clipper and help you to grip. So it's not so slick. He sent about 6 different packs of these. So a couple of my guys that have Gamma products, I blessed them with those. And again, appreciate it. He also sent me another taper blade for my Alpha, and I've already swapped it out. So this is the fade blade and the gold blade that was on there. You guys know now I'm running the taper blade and a ceramic cutting blade, but hooked it up with a taper blade when I said, you know, my only downfall of the Alpha was that it had a fade blade. So he threw it in the package. Want to make sure I have my taper blade. If you guys didn't know, Gamma has a brand new fade brush. Guys, I've been using it. You can see I got one on my station. Send me a couple more. My guys are begging for them. So you guys know I got to keep it back up in the drawer for when this one goes out. But I probably will bless a couple of my guys with these. But if you guys haven't checked out the fade brush, it is super nice. It's bigger than your traditional. I think Andis makes a fade brush. Babyliss makes a fade brush now. You guys know what I'm talking about. These old traditional black fade brushes, they're just a little bit small, a little bit cheap. The Gamma one is a decent amount bigger, and I'm liking it so far. It's just soft enough not to hurt people or scratch on their head, but it is firm enough to brush the hair around. So anyway, guys, these were included as well. I got a couple replacement heads for my shaver, and I'm not sure how long they'll last. A lot of questions I get are, how often do you replace your heads or your clipper blades? And I'll be honest, guys, most of the time, the battery life goes down before the actual blades do. So we'll see. I don't know when I'll use these, but if that thing starts to not cut as well, I'll have some backups so I can throw them on there and get it back to 100. I'm gonna show you guys the giveaway last, so I'm gonna grab the next thing in here and then we'll get to the giveaway. If you guys don't know, my brother Cuts by Coast, he has upgraded to the blue Stylecraft, the Ergo, and the Evo. And he's digging the blue. You guys know I got the all black setup and I got the black shaver, and all he was missing was the blue shaver. And this is what I'm talking about when I say that Austin really takes care of us. Guys, I was only asking if the blue shaver was back in stock so that Markel could get one to match his other clippers. and he threw it in the package. So this isn't even for me, guys. It's for one of my homies in the shop, but he takes such good care of me that when I mentioned that, he threw it in as well. So now your boy Cuts by Coast has the all blue setup, and I got the all black setup. And again, we're digging that trio. That's definitely a nice trio of clippers, trimmers, and shavers to use. So maybe I'll do a haircut soon with only using all three Gamma tools, and we can see how good it turns out. But anyway, my man Cuts by Coast really appreciates it. So thanks, Austin, for hooking him up as well. You're too good to us. All right, so last but not least, you guys been waiting to see this for the 15K giveaway. I'm probably gonna unbox this and show what it is, but I'll still give it away when we hit 15K. So guys, it is none other than the brand new Gamma Prodigy kit. If you guys are unaware, this was made to be an affordable clipper and trimmer kit that you could get for the price of one of their other clippers or the price of one of the expensive clippers out right now. So I believe it's around 160 bucks. Guys, it does come with basically the Alpha and the Absolute Hitter. They've just been renamed the Prodigy. Like I said, it's just a cheaper combination pack. It does not have additional lids for the clipper or the trimmer, and it doesn't have a dock. So it's just gonna have the cords and these lids that you can see on it. It's kind of a nice brushed bronze look, guys. I'll open it up and show you really, but we'll do an unboxing on this later. So you guys can see, I hope you can see the color. I know I got a lot of light right here. You guys can see this, just a nice bronze finish. Say you get these and you want the other lids, you can buy those lids, and as far as I know, they'll fit. I would assume they'll fit. This is an Alpha and a Hitter. So you guys want the black, you can get the black or the pink, or you guys know they make tons of covers for them. So anyway, I will unbox this soon and show you guys the details. But if you guys can get the word out, get me to 15K, I'll give this away to one of my lucky subscribers. Anyway, that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, we're almost to 15K. We're about 14,250 right now. So we're about 750 to go. I'm probably gonna do the unboxing and save it for the 15K giveaway video. So you guys stay tuned for that. We'll have you comment down below. I'll draw a lucky winner and I'll give it away to one of you guys. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for more content on my new shop. Also some unboxings, and you guys know I got plenty of content coming soon. I'll be in Houston this weekend to do a class with Get Beamed, and then in Fort Worth the next day, the 16th. So if you guys haven't got your tickets for that, head over to my website and check it out. You can find all the information on my Instagram, and I hope to see some of you guys there. But anyway, I appreciate all you guys watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.